Hi, it's Steph from Wordpress Solutions. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how you can add images to your pages. So in the dashboard, we just go back to the pages, we show all pages, and this will give us a list of all pages that we've created. We go find a page we want to use, and I'll just use the one that we actually created earlier, and click on Edit. I would open it in a new window because that's easier for me to work with. But if you click on it, it will just open in the same window for you. So there we are. This is a text that we created earlier. And for example, I want to add an image at the start of the text. So you position yourself, your cursor, where you want to have your image to appear. And to add it, you just click Add Media. When you click on Add Media, this will open a new window where you can upload your pictures. To upload your files, you can either choose from Media Library, where you have all the images already uploaded to your website, and choose one of the images in there, or you can go to Upload a New File, where you can click Select Files. This will take you through your Windows Explorer or through your Mac sort of screens to find image you want to add, or we can simply drag and drop it if we have it somewhere handy. So I have an image here, so I will drop it in there, and it will upload into my website. So you see, this is the image we uploaded. On the right side, you will see that you have certain sort of windows here that you can populate information about that image. You can show captions if you want to, you can put descriptions, which is sometimes a good idea because you can put your keywords in there, but most certainly you should be using alternative text, which means that this text is often used for Google to determine what the image is about, and sometimes your images can rank faster than your actual website. So people who are looking through the images might click on it and they come to your website for that particular keyword. So it's a very clever sort of move to actually populate your relevant keywords in here. Obviously, they need to be somehow related to the image as well for the good use of SEO. In the bottom part here, when it says Attachment Display Settings, it's actually, this is where we determine how we want this image position. Do we want it to be aligned left? Do we want it to be centered right? Or we don't have any preference? So I want this image to be on the left side, so I'll leave it at that. You can also link the image to a custom URL, which is very handy when you're promoting products, and you can link directly to the shopping cart or PayPal or something like that. The size is self-explanatory. You have different options, full size. Sometimes if the images are large, you will also have an option of medium size, and you can choose a thumbnail, which is a smaller version. I will keep it at the full size. We can insert this into page, and we should have an image on the side. If we want to now preview how this is going to look in real life, all we need to do is click on Preview Changes, and this should show us how the page will look like after we've done and inserted the image. There we go. Depends on the size of the image, the content will wrap around it. So if we are happy with this, we can just click Update, and then our page is updated with the image. But we might say, well, actually, I don't really like this. I want to actually change this to be positioned on the right side. So all I need to do is click on an image, click the little edit button. Well, actually, in a new Word, you can actually just go and align it here, or you could go to Edit, and this will open a window where you can do an extra changes, in regards to size, positioning, and so on. So we'll update it and say, well, I want to see how this looks first. And there we are. So I like this better. So then I will say, okay, I'm happy with this, so I'll update it. And this is it. It's simple as it is. You can add multiple images in a text. When it comes to positioning your images, it's really a little bit of testing and playing, because different sizes give different results, but it's pretty straightforward. So this is it for this tutorial, and I'll talk to you in the next video.